Here is how to change dead zone in Apex Legends. What you have to do first is load up to your game and go into the lobby. Once you're in the lobby, open up game menu and click on settings. Once you're in your settings, go to the controller tab. And from here we can see that there are three types of dead zones. We got trigger dead zone, look dead zone, and movement dead zone. Here you can experiment what works for you. If you have stick drift, increase the dead zones, and if you want better aim control, decrease the dead zones. Keep trying different options and see what is best for you and your playstyle. You can keep changing the settings and go into the firing range and test out if it works for you. And that is how to change dead zones in Apex Legends.